How to make rental website on Squarespace. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a rental website using Squarespace. So make sure to watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out this Squarespace website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what is Squarespace? So based on our previous videos, we already have created a tutorial on how to use Squarespace. So this is just like a another famous website builder on the internet, just like Equid and Wix website or even WordPress. So they're all the same. So here in Squarespace, just like the other website builder, it also provides a lot of templates. So yeah, it can be an online store template website or for something like personal or health and beauty website, food entertainment website, local business, and also we can find restaurants, travel, media, podcasts, events, and weddings. So they provide a lot of templates, a lot of categories for the templates. So here, as we said earlier, we will make a rental website here. So definitely we will use the real estate and properties template. So if you log into your account, so it's easier to log into an account, you can just use any Gmail you want. And yeah, after you created your account, you will be redirected to this menu right here, the homepage. So if you want to use a template, so I recommend you to use templates and not build your custom templates because it's hard. It's really takes so much time, and you can just use templates they provide and then customize it. So here we will find templates for our rental website. So let's just click real estate and properties. So on choosing the right templates, it's very important because you will need to find the right templates for your ideal website. So for example, rental website, and you can just choose one of these templates that you can see in the screen and make sure that it fits the theme of what you want to create a rental website. So for example, I'm just going to use this one because it's a hotel, right? Or you can use this one. This almost look like a condo, but yeah, I'm going with this one. So here you can just preview the template first, or you can start editing it. So if you click preview, you will go to the page right here where you can see the design, the all-out design of this template. So you can just scroll down and yeah, look up the content. And yeah, if you want to edit this, you can edit all of this. What you can see, you can change the color of the text, you can change the font, you can change the pictures, yeah, all of this, and you can add more pages if you want. So now let's go to designing this template. So click start with this design and it will start setting things up, and you will go to the editing page of the Squarespace. So let's just wait. So now I will show you this windows where you can start naming your website. So for example, I'm just going to type rental what will be my website name? Rental Peter apartment. Okay, like that. So now after you put your name, your website name, you can just click continue. And if you want, you can also read this one, access a variety of specialized tools to help you sell anything, including physical products and services, bookable appointments for clients, and access to content, courses, and more. So I think this should be our priority, the appointment, because it's a rental. We don't really need these physical products and services. Although, yeah, want we might need it for our, for example, the foods that we offer on our website or on our apartment. So just click continue, and also you can use branded email campaigns and integrated social tools and advanced SEO tools to improve the the integrity or the reputation of your website. So just click continue and click started. So now You can see on the screen we're on the editing page. So right here you can see there's a lot of tools or tabs that you can choose. So you can choose to edit your website first. And for the selling, we'll go to the products or the payments, the payment methods, the subscription, and of course the publishing of your website. So we don't really need to, on a rental website, we don't really need to focus on the products. I think we need to focus on the payments and also the, because of products, it should be obvious that we will rent a room now. So the room will be, or yes, the room of our apartment, for example, should be the focus. We don't need that product. Or if you want to add discounts and yeah, another way of selling tools, you can just add it if you want. And for the marketing, yeah, this is where you can add your email campaigns or marketing tools. So in order to promote your website more and, it increase the rotation of your website, you can just use email campaigns. So if contacts, you can also add contacts here. So for example, you will need to contact all of your site users like your customers, members, and email subscribers. You can add promotional pop-up to your website and import existing subscribers so that when your customers or the audience click on your website, they will see your total subscribers and they will see how much trustful you are, your website. So right here, you can just, manage all of this. If you have subscriber leads, customers, yeah, you can manage all of this in contacts. So let's go back to home and go to analytics. So basic common knowledge of analytics, here you can, manage all the data, all of the information about your website. For example, the visits, how many people visits your website, how many bounce, or the bounce rate of your website, and the unique visitors, and also page views. You can manage all of this right here. So yeah, all of this data, you will find it right here. And now let's go to the website, editing your website. So for example, this should be almost perfect, right? And you can just use this if you want. But if you want unique design, you can just change this one, each of these contents that you can see right here. So if you want to edit this, just click edit right here and you will be redirected to this page right here where you can edit the page. So you can edit the site header, you can edit each of this content. As I said earlier, you can change the text, or if you want, you can change you can italize it, or you can change the font style. So if you want to change the font style, just click site styles right here on the top right corner, and you will see all of this. You can change the fonts. So let's switch the fonts, for example. So let's use this, and if you click this one, all of the text should be should be this font that I chose. And after changing font, you can also change the colors of the text. So here you will see 6 different main colors of your website, and you can just change each of this. So for example, the white should be this box color, and you can change that to yellow. So go back right here. I can change also this one, the black. Change this. So this is the black color, and I can change it to light gray something. And yeah, that's it. That's how you change colors on your website. You can also add animation. So for example, yeah, right here you can add in transition when when the audience click on your website and they open the website, they will see this animation. So yeah, it makes your website more presentable. And right here you can, for example, you want to change the pictures, you want to change it to your own apartment, you can change it. So you can just click the edit and click this one, replace, and upload the file and upload your pictures, for example. And yeah, that's it. And that's almost it, because yeah, this is already a templates, and it's already where all the contents is input already. all the pages, contact page, about page, and our entities page, about us page is already there. And you can just, make a minor changes in this website to make it look like unique, and you made it in your own. Yeah, that's it. That's how you make your rental website. So if you are done with this website, you can just click save. And after you save, you can just exit the editing page. And after you're done creating your website, you can just click this one to preview your website right here. So this is the final look of my website, rental website, and there already have a book a room. And if you click book a room, the customers will see this one. Yeah, the appointment, rental Peter apartment, and they will see the rooms. Yeah, right here, room name. And you can also edit this on the editing page. And yeah, my website already have a template. So yeah, this is my final look of my website. So I can just add, for example, if I want to add the picture of my rooms right here, I can also add it on the editing page. So after you're done, you will need to subscribe on a higher plan in order to publish your website. So that is the cost in order to publish fully your website publicly, because if you don't, it can only be accessed if you share the link of your website, but they will not see it on the Google. If they search it, they will not see it because this is only link only. But if you upgrade into a business plan, higher plan, so this is the most popular plan to subscribe. And yeah, you can just publish your website publicly. And this should be, I think, on US dollars, this should be $23 per month. So yeah, it's quite cheap for some people and quite expensive for some people. And yeah, that's it. That's how you edit that's how you make rental website on Squarespace. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.